Welcome back to Adventure 2 Rocks Zoomed In. Today we'll be doing this weird quartzy mica rock. I'm not really sure, to be honest. Zoomed in right off the bat, I'm already noticing this weird quartz protrusion right here that just looks different to the rest of the white stuff you're seeing around. So maybe they're both quartz, but they're a different clarity or something. I'm not really sure. Moving on, here's one of those black reflective sheets. So this just doesn't look like mica as much to me. I mean, it is probably, but it's just different to me for some reason. Moving around, it kind of just looks like the same minerals here. I'm noticing a different clarity of quartz, or maybe this is quartz and some other white mineral. I'm not really sure. And then every now and then you'll see these black sheets. Some of them do look like mica, while others don't. I'm not really sure why. Over here, I noticed this reflective sheet, which very much looks like mica and definitely is mica, which is probably biotite, by the way. So I guess maybe some spots are more eroded, while others are not. Other than that, I'm not really seeing any other minerals here. I mean, you can see some more biotite here. It's kind of reflective, though. In this rock, it's kind of a different reflective. Maybe that's just because of the way it eroded or something. I don't really know. Over here are some interesting little mica patches I'm noticing. Just the shapes of them is quite interesting to me. Over here, though, interestingly enough, there's this weird red patch, kind of. I'm not really sure what that is. It might not even be a mineral, but it might be. I don't know. Over here is another mica. This one kind of seems to crack in different ways. It just kind of looks cool, so I thought I should show. Moving on, next up we got this weird rock right here, which in the gray blue, it's kind of super dense with sparklies, while the rest of this rock is just very odd looking. Moving on, right off the bat, you can kind of see the super teeny tiny little sparklies, though not really so much on this part of the rock. Though over here looks like we got some quartz, and it's kind of like a weird erosion point around the quartz. I'm not really sure why it's like this, but it's very strange. While over here, there's the quartz mixed in the blue, no problem. There's no erosion, but the end here, it is eroded. So what the hell's going on here? I genuinely have no clue. Maybe there was a third mineral, but that's the mineral that got eroded away? I have no clue, to be honest. Either way, though, I really do like this rock. It just looks pretty cool. I'm starting to notice that some of these eroded spots also have these weird, spheroid holes in them. So I guess there's something there that got eroded out. I'm not really sure. While over here in the gray blue, you can kind of see the sparklies now, but they're super tiny still. They're super dense, but super teeny tiny. It's really hard to see them. Up here, I'm starting to notice this weird mineral, right here. It's kind of like the gray blue, but it's a lot lighter colored. So maybe this was the third mineral, or maybe it's the gray blue mixed more with quartz or something. I'm not really sure. Over here, I noticed this kind of weird, I guess, quartz streak just going through the rocks. I'm not really sure what's going on. Right here, you can really see the teeny tiny sparkles and how dense they are, but still very hard to see. Over here, I noticed these weird red streaks. I'm not really sure what they are. Those were two pretty cool rocks. Anyways, though, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next episode.